Hey, what's going on, guys? As always, welcome back to yet another video here on the channel. All right, so you open up Save the World, right? You see that nice pack, right? The metal team leader pack, and you're looking forward to getting those challenges done, so you get that 1,000 V-bucks, those 1,000 V-bucks. That sounds good, right? But you have an issue. All right, so you launch a game, you wait till it's done preparing, then watch what happens. You're in your lobby, right? You're all set. You got your random people. You click launch. You're excited, you know? You're about to get some V-bucks. You're about to be able to actually play Save the World, because now you have it. But like I said, boom, there was a problem. Network connection lost. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, today we're fixing it. All right, so basically what you're gonna want to go ahead and do is you're gonna go ahead and click out of Fortnite. All right, so close it. Open up the Epic Games launcher, right? Go to your library. Click those three dots right there down in the bottom right hand corner, all right? Go to options. Right there. Boom. As you can see, Fortnite Save the World, that little checkbox right there, is currently not checked, all right? So literally, I don't even know why. It's like the easiest thing on the planet. Check the box, click apply. Your game will update. Easy as that. It's like 7 gigabytes. There's 6 gigabytes. I think it was 6.5. But that's literally all you have to do. All right. Close your Fortnite. Open up the launcher. Click those three dots. Go to options. Right. Check that box. Click apply. And boom. The easy fix right there. You're done. All right. It's done updating. We're going to go ahead and click Fortnite. Let's do it. All right. Here we are. Go to map. Click on that thingy. Whatever. Select. Launch. Let's do this. Boom. You got your randos. You click launch. Only this time, there is something big that is going to change. You're actually going to be able to play this time. Boom. Guys, look at it. It is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Save the World. Wow, these are not my keybinds from Battle Royale, but wow. Check this. It's so beautiful. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's it.